It's Force 13's regional AU channel with the latest on the tropical weather scene for Tuesday, the 17th of October 23, and we start off with the Himawari 8, Himawari 9 satellite imagery going back over the last 24 hours. Bureau of Meteorology is on board. And it looks like we are in for a out of season tropical cyclone, but will stay clear from the Queensland coast. The Bureau of Meteorology has done away with its 3-day outlook, and I'm impressed with their new upgrade out to 7 days, but the cloud is definitely increasing. The CO1U may form along a trough to the east of the Solomon Islands later in the week within Fiji's area responsibility, and is likely to move towards the west initially and may be located near the Solomon Islands or in the far northeast Coral Sea by next Monday. But the percentages of CO1U developing into a tropical cyclone increases from Sunday. Meteo-France New Caledonia is also on board. There is now a low risk of a moderate tropical depression forming early next week between the Solomon Islands and northern Vanuatu. This possible tropical depression does not pose a direct threat to New Caledonia in the next 7 days. However, it remains to be monitored for the following days because of its relative proximity. So Meteo-France New Caledonia is now on board, but the risk increases as from Sunday. Now, thanks to Nathan Foy, the owner of Force 13 International, he provided me with this video clip, WSV software, and this is a GFS model, and you can clearly see what this system is likely to do. We're also keeping an eye on the Vanuatu Met Service to see what they will say, and here's the pivotal weather website. It's a GFS model, precipitation, or I should say pressure, and the information at the bottom of the screen. Bureau of Meteorology locally has a number of warnings in place. Fire weather warnings, coastal waters wind warning, sheep graziers, and you can see the system down to about 987, or might even be lower in the low 970s. However, caution needs to be applied as the information does change, especially out from 240 hours. Now, this is the upper level divergence, and divergence is looking, I think, around 30 knots. Also keeping an eye on the Tasman Sea. It looks like the east coast of Tasmania might also be in for a deep subtropical system. Now, this is a 24-hour shear tendency. Tropical systems love the area in blue to green, and wind shear appears to be decreasing and down through the Coral Sea. It's another look at the Himawari 9 satellite imagery. And the GFS precipitation and pressure. Some of this information will now be out of date, but the priority item is the CO1U, and it fizzles out to the northeast of New Caledonia. Now this is going back in time 24 hours, and the cold weather has seen snow covering the various snowfields. And for New South Wales, there's a hazardous surf warning for the Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney and Illawarra coast. This is a mixture tropical information and the local scene. 18.1 Sydney, 15.4 in Melbourne, 25.5 in Brisbane, 30 in Perth, hot one, 18.7 in Adelaide, 21.1 Hobart, 16.9 in Canberra and 32 in Brisbane. No significant rainfall has been recorded in any of the capital cities. And if you haven't already subscribed to any of the Force 13 channels, your support is welcome. And for those that are linked to the AU channel, as the manager of the AU operations, we will be ramping up the coverage. Mostly sunny for Darwin, cloud clear in Canberra, sunny Hobart, sunny Adelaide, also Perth, mostly sunny Brisbane, a nice southeasterly breeze coming in through my window, and becoming sunny for Melbourne, and possible shower windy for Sydney, and since 9 a.m. And this is a correction, 1.8 millimetres has fallen in Sydney.